Whoa! Why are you sleeping on logs, man? Get yourself a barely prepared bush bed. It's like cuddling with Bigfoot. But let's start from the beginning.
First things first, we needed to collect a total of 8 logs for our construction. In this case, we were able to salvage several good ones from our stick bed the night before. Only a few additional ones were needed.
Think it's too thick?
Since the camp that we chose was on a steep hillside, we lashed a shorter tripod for the uphill side and a taller one for the downhill side.
So this one we can kind of stuff in there. These we can spread out a tiny bit more.
The first challenge that we faced was to stabilize all the legs on the steep and leafy terrain.
Somehow this needs to get on. There we go. That side.
After we finished both tripods, we made a final check that the distance between the tripods was suitable for the canvas. We then prepared the 2 logs for the sides of the canvas to be attached to. The canvas was prepared by reinforcing the edges and inserting metal grommets. Only paracord was then used to attach the actual canvas to the logs. For those of you who watched our Norway video, the idea came from our experience of building tarp beds. We liked the basic idea, but saw potential for it reducing weight, speeding up the construction, and increasing comfort and flexibility.
We both get a test, right? Otherwise, you'll find me at the bottom of the hill. Dude.
Looks way better than we slept last night.
If you want to see more content and adventures like this one, like this video and subscribe to Barely Prepared. Cheers.